And if the world was ending, you come over, right? You come over and you'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you come over, right? The sky'd be falling in. Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano accompaniment part, the chords, to If the World Was Ending by JP Saxe and Julia Michaels. So I'm going to do a whole run through at the end, no singing though, but I will do the odd bit of singing as we go, as I'm teaching it to you as like a reference point. And I've made the whole chord song lyric structure as well, so you can go find a link to that in the description below. So before we continue, hello, my name is Francesca and I'm the teacher here at Bitesize Piano. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. Please give the video a like if you enjoy it and that it's useful. I do take piano tutorial requests, so if you would like to request one from me, stick around to the end of the video with our instructions on how you can do that. Here on Bitesize Piano I make all sorts of tutorials, so go have a rummage around my channel, see what else you can learn. Make sure to hit the notifications bell, and I've left a few playlists in the description below to get you started. And finally, thank you to everyone who chooses to support Bitesize Piano on Patreon and other avenues. You know who you are. Thank you very much. It's really appreciated. If you are interested in supporting the channel in that way, the links are in the description below. So let's dive in. So this one's in the key of D flat major. So on the screen now, I'll roll the notes of the scale of D flat major. So the chords and melody are formed mostly using those notes. So we're going to look at every single section. The choruses are always played in the same way, but the verses and the pre-choruses differ slightly from one another. So we've got an intro first, it's very small. So here is middle C for reference. And the right hand is going to be starting on the D flat above middle C there. So the right hand's going to go D flat, F, and then you're going to quickly flick from D flat to E flat. And D flat, C. I'll do that again. And the left hand with that, you're going to play an A flat, E flat and G flat. So I guess that makes like an A flat 7 chord, and then just a single A flat. So I'll show you how that fits together. And then it's into the first verse. I was distracted and in traffic. I'm going to teach you the chords using both hands. The first chord is a D flat major with D flat in the bass. So that's D flat, F and A flat. So you're going to hold that for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the left hand is going to come up to an E flat, and the right hand is going to play an E flat, so it makes an E flat minor 7, sort of. So the right hand's going to play E flat, A flat and D flat. Hold that for 4 beats. Then you're going to come up again in the left hand to G flat, and the right hand you're going to play second inversion of G flat major chord, so that's D flat, G flat and B flat. Hold that for 4 beats. And you're going to come up again in the left hand to A flat, and then we have an A flat major in the right hand, also second inversion, so that's E flat, A flat and C. So I'll just do what we've done so far. And there's 2 more chords for the verse. So you're going to go back to the D flat major in the right hand, but with an F in the left hand for 4 beats as well. And then the next chord, you're going to play B flat in the left hand, and all you're going to do is change from the A flat to the B flat in the right hand, and that gives you B flat minor. And then that's the first verse. So I'll run through that again from the beginning. So I was distracted and in traffic. And then it's into the I know, you know, we know you went down for forever and it's fine. So we've got B flat minor again, but in a different inversion this time. So there's F, B flat, and D flat. And the left hand, you've got a B flat with that as well. It's a quite quick succession of chords. So we've got, and then the left hand's going to come up to a C, and the right hand is going to play F, A flat, and E flat. So I guess you could call this F minor 7 over C. And then the left hand is going to come up to D flat, and the right hand is going to come up to second inversion of D flat major. So that's A flat, D flat, and F. And you're going to play D flat major again in the right hand, but with an F this time, so it goes down to the F. And then the left hand comes up to G flat, and the right hand, you're going to swap the F and the A flat to G flat and B flat. So I'll do all that again, very slowly. You come over right. So now we're into the chorus. So we're moving a lot lower down. So we've got a G flat minor. You can either play in octaves or just single notes in the left hand. So you're going to play G flat minor. So that's G flat, B flat, and D flat, and play that 4 times. The left hand's going to come up to A flat. In the right hand, we've got A flat major add 11. So this would be the 11th note of the scale of A flat major, and it's a top voice, so you would call it add 11. So that's A flat, C, and D flat. Left hand is going to come down to F, and in the right hand you're going to play an inversion of D flat major. The left hand's going to come up to B flat, and you're going to swap this note for this note. So that gives you B flat minor. So I'll just run through that again. If the world was ending, you come over right. You come over and you stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. Repeat it again. Over right, sky'd be falling and I'd hold you tight, and that wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. And now, so you're only going to play that twice, that B flat minor chord, and it's going to change to a D flat 7 over A flat. So in the left hand you've got A flat. In the right hand, you can just play F, B, and D flat, and play that twice. And then you're going to repeat all that again, minus that chord at the end, and you're just going to hold these chords down. If the world was ending, you come over right. B at the very end of the chorus, you're going to play B flat in the left hand, right hand is going to play F and C, and it's going to resolve into a B flat. Like that. So I'll just play the whole chorus through, and this chorus you can play the same way every single time. But if the world was ending, you come over, right? You come over and you'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you come over, right? The sky'd be falling and I'd hold you tight, and there wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you come over, right? And then we're into the second verse where Julia starts singing. Try to imagine your reaction. It didn't scare me when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. So the first chord is a D flat major in the right hand with an A flat in the left hand. So I try to imagine your reaction. And the next chord is B flat minor over E flat. Didn't scare me when the earthquake happened, but it really got me. And then it goes down to G flat, so just how we play it in the chorus. And then we've got the A flat at 11 again. The D flat major over F. And then B flat minor. And then that's the second verse. So it's incredibly similar to the chorus. So I'll do that again. Try to imagine your reaction. It didn't scare me when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. The night when we're not drinking, stumbling in the house and didn't make it past the kitchen. Harry's been a year now. Think I figured out how to think about you without ripping my heart out. And then it's into I know, you know, we know you went down for forever and it's fine. So what's going on there? So this is all the same, but it's just lower. And then you're going to come down to the G flat minor this time. I mean G flat major. And then before you repeat that, you're going to go. So left, right, left. And then it repeats it again. I know, you know, we weren't meant for each other and it's fine. And then it's into the chorus again, which you're going to play exactly the same way. And then it's into the pre-chorus again, but this time back up here, like we've played it before. I know, you know, we know you went down for forever and it's fine. I know, you know, we weren't meant for each other and it's fine. And then into the chorus one more time. But if the world was ending, you come over, right? You come over and you stay the night. And would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you come over, right? The sky'd be falling whilst I hold you tight. No, there wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you come over, right? If the world was ending, you come over, right? So at the end there, you just hold the last lot of chords down instead of playing them on the beats. So now I'm going to do a full run through from start to finish, obviously without vocals. And again, the whole chord song lyrics is linked down below. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.